let me give you a formal introduction to the do-while loop. Notice there's no code in here because I've got to make sure that you understand the logic before I've already showed you maybe some code already, but still, you'll see a lot more code of it here in a moment. So in a do-while loop, like I may have said before, it's very different than the other loops of a for loop and a while loop because in number one here, I actually go inside the loop right off the bat before I have a condition. That's what a diamond is in a flow chart. So this is some instructions happen, this is some instructions, yes and no here, and then some other instructions outside the loop. We actually go right into the loop no matter what. So for a do-while loop, you're guaranteed that the loop is going to run at least once. And that's because the condition is checked at the end. It's like shooting now, asking questions later. Whereas the other ones will ask questions later and then do something. This is very opposite. Okay? So it's going to do something, it'll check the condition. If the condition is true, then we're going to go ahead and loop again. That sounds familiar. It's going to loop again if it's still true, and then finally when it's false, we'll have a no, or false really I should say, and then we'll continue the rest of the program from there on out. We're using this because of, honestly, we're trying to make it a nice experience for the user. Because remember, as they're entering in data and we're validating, there's actually more of a likely chance that they screw it up just because of the way it is. So we want to give them ease of use, and doing a do-while loop is going to give us that advantage just because of literally how the setup is. Now again, I haven't shown you any code particularly yet. That's what's going to be happening from.